This is a variant of Shanghai Rummy, a commercial variant here called MoMo's Shanghai Rummy. You can see that. I'm very excited to unbox this with you because I'm really excited about the sort of quality of this. I mean, it comes in like this little coin purse case. The theming on this is kind of fun. It's got a Surgeon General's warning on the box. I don't know. I think I just gotta read the back of the box here to you. Momo was a chain-smoking, early times drinking, alleged mob-connected grandmother who only played games for money. Rarely was she without her Virginia Slims and a deck of cards. Momo created this version of Rummy that's played with multiple decks, buying and stealing, and tons of wild cards. This game has been passed down through 5 generations now, and we hope it starts a tradition in your family. So yeah, I think this is just like someone's grandmother's rummy that she taught all the family. At least that's how they're selling it, right? Just this box here, I can feel the heft. Like, this is, I don't know if this is plastic or metal, but it certainly feels like metal. But yeah, I want to say I remember my grandmother or mother having a thing for change like this. I don't think it was this deep, but I certainly remember something like this. There's a picture of the real Momo. The real Momo. So here's the little how to play instructions. Nice accordion fold. Again, I like to laminate things like these, but when they're thin and long like this, it's kind of hard to laminate them. But I guess it should fit in this case kind of nicely. And I gotta say, that unboxing was really effortless. And now we just get into this. And here are the cards, which really don't seem like something too special. I guess they have some, you know, 2 decks of cards, 8 jokers, 1 family legacy. So here seems like a pretty normal deck of cards though, and they've got the little like gum wrapper cellophane. I mean, I do enjoy, there's something about the little like gum wrapper peel that's very satisfying, but I also don't know if this was necessary when they're already in this. Like, does this add a lot to protect them? And we could probably do without this plastic in the world, right? Well, okay, here. And these they're not textured. Like you might find, here's a just normal bicycle. You can kind of get like that little hash, you know, almost fabric looking texture. These are flat. You can see there's even like a little divot here in these, in this 3. But they feel okay. They don't feel super cheap. They just don't feel quite as nice, sort of plasticky slick on the surface as like the bicycle. But I think that's a high standard, and for a game like this, especially, they're giving you MoMo's very own Shanghai Rummy case here for your 2 decks of cards. King is pretty standard. Jack, you know, pretty standard deck. They're not even, I don't think these are like big indexed. Oh, you could, here's your joker. Your joker is Momo. And here's your quick reference cards. So do they tell us how many we get in here? Did I miss that? It's for 2 to 5 players, ages 8 to adult. I don't remember if it said how many cards. I like how the box here is not quite white. It's like a eggshell or yellowy. It feels like it's been a room with a smoker. Same with the cards, the back of the cards. Alright, I'm going to try to just shuffle this. I think I got the like scorecards and all of those out of there. There's the Momo jokers. Oh, here's a few more of the cards. So I'll add these in. Okay. And I'll give these a shuffle. And I'm not good at shuffling, so be kind. I don't claim to be good at this. Oh, actually, these don't shuffle too bad. I was a little worried because they don't feel as slick. Maybe they wouldn't like slide together too well, and I guess when I tried to like arch and bring them together, they didn't do that part too well. Oh, but that's not too bad. So here, I guess Shanghai Rummy, yeah, Shanghai Rummy I think is a contract rummy. And so here is your rounds and the contract you need to get per round, kind of like phase 10. But each round, so hand 1, you get 7 cards and there's your goal. And then you get 8 cards, 9 cards, 10 cards, all the way up to 13 cards there. Yeah, I like it. I gotta look at the instructions. Oh, did we compare this? We compared the texture, but did we compare the size? And that is exact to a bicycle playing card. Exact size. That's probably why they feel pretty natural for me shuffling them. So I feel like when, you know, I learned with bicycle playing cards, right? And I'm kind of new to shuffling. So it's handy when they're the same size as sort of what I learned on. I'm going to open the other peel. Got it. Alright, and with that, I'm not sure there's a lot more to look at. That is what's in the box for MoMo's Shanghai Rummy. I'm excited to play this one too. I think it's going to be fun. Different rounds, you know, the different hands have different number of cards, plus the contract thing. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. Alright, thanks for watching.